I chose the Geo Bubble for my hot tub because, as you can see, I don't have a lot of room around my hot tub to always use that big old clunky hot tub cover that comes with it. And since this is a chiller tub for the summer, I can make the tub cooler. I don't need such a big heavy cover. So this bubble wrap cover from Geo works perfectly. And I just followed the directions to cut along the shape. It keeps it both clean, keeps bugs and everything out, and keeps the water chilled to a cool temperature. It also will help me in the winter. I can put it under the larger one if I need to keep the temperature hot. When I'm ready to get in, all I have to do is fold the cover back, roll it up. It's very light. Put it out of my way, or I can take it out of the pool. Keeps the water cool and keeps the water clean. Very happy with my purchase and very easy to use.